Discovering Spinosaurus. How one determined paleontologist found a river monster in the Sahara. Nizar Ibrahim has always been fascinated by dinosaurs, and he's always enjoyed traveling to faraway places. As a paleontologist, he's able to do both. Nizar has spent a lot of time in the Kemkem, a region in the Sahara Desert along the border of Morocco and Algeria. This region is hot and dry now, but it was once home to a large river where amazing creatures lived. Car-sized fish, several different types of crocodile-like creatures, and a large, predatory dinosaur called Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus, which lived in North Africa about 97 million years ago, was an extraordinary creature. It was enormous, with a length of up to 15 meters. It had massive jaws like a crocodile, which were an advantage when catching prey. Nizar knew about some of these characteristics from research that had been done on the Spinosaurus in the early 1900s by German paleontologist Ernst Stromer. Nizar and his colleagues used Professor Stromer's notes and sketches, the fossils he had found, and CT scanning technology to piece together a whole Spinosaurus skeleton. A digital dinosaur. What Nizar and his team learned was significant. Spinosaurus had dense bones, feet like paddles, and small hind limbs. All of these were characteristic of animals that spent a lot of time in the water. We realized that we were dealing with a river monster, said Nizar. A predatory dinosaur bigger than T-Rex, the ruler of this ancient river of giants. Perhaps the only thing more amazing than the creature itself is how Nizar was able to find its skeleton. In 2008, a local man from Erfoud, Morocco, gave Nizar a cardboard box filled with some fossils. A little while later, Italian colleagues contacted Nizar about fossils they received that were extremely similar to the ones he was given. Nizar wanted to find where the fossils came from. If only Nizar could find the man from Erfoud. Nizar didn't even know the man's name. He only had a mental image of a man with a mustache, which wasn't very helpful. Nizar traveled to Morocco anyway to try to find him. After a long, unsuccessful search, Nizar gave up hope. He was sitting at an outdoor cafe, drinking tea with a colleague, talking about how it was useless. He would never piece together Spinosaurus. Suddenly, he looked up and saw the man walking down the street. He had found the missing link. The fossil hunter took Nizar to the site, and he was finally able to locate the remaining bones for his Spinosaurus skeleton.